Welcome to the Life Hacks and Facts. Today we're counting down 5 life hacks that will make you more productive. Life hack number 1. Set realistic goals. It's important to set goals that are achievable, or you're just setting yourself up for failure. When you set realistic goals, you're more likely to stick with them and achieve them. Life hack number 2. Break down large tasks into smaller ones. Large tasks can be daunting and overwhelming, but if you break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks, they'll seem less daunting, and you'll be more likely to complete them. Life hack number 3. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks are more important and urgent than others. Prioritize your tasks so that you're working on the most important and urgent tasks first. Life hack number 4. Take breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking breaks can actually help you to be more productive. When you work for long periods of time without taking a break, you're more likely to get tired and make mistakes. Take short breaks throughout the day to refresh your mind and body. Life hack number 5. Delegate tasks. If you have the ability to delegate tasks, do it. This will free up your time so that you can focus on the most important tasks. Subscribe if you like these. That's it for our list of 5 life hacks that will make you more productive. Thanks for watching. Bonus life hack. Reward yourself for completing tasks. This will help you to stay motivated and productive. I hope these life hacks help you to be more productive